This is Maddie with Loma Boutique. I'm going to show you how I do my extended half double crochet. We're working in the third loop for this. So you insert your hook and you pull up a loop like you would with a normal half double crochet. Then you just pull a loop through your first stitch and then you yarn over and pull through the last 3 stitches. So you're going to insert again into the third stitch or your next stitch. You're going to pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through your first loop, yarn over and pull through your last 3 loops. So it just makes a little bit taller half double crochet, but it has a little more bulk than a normal double crochet. And that's how we do our first 2 rounds of the Winter Rose Beanie. So if you are working that pattern, that's how we do that. Hope that helps.